For Moodle to remain in top running shape, you will have to install an automatic job scheduler. Cron is the name of a very popular command line job scheduler on Unix-like systems. The Moodle cron script runs tasks in the background, including checking for upgrades, sending mail, updating Moodle reports, pushing RSS feeds, activity completions, posting forum messages, and similar other tasks. In short, cron is very important for all the bells and whistles in Moodle to function properly. For our Windows installation also, there is a very similarly named Moodle cron executable that has been designed to run as a Windows service in the background. And very fortunately for us, the whole installation is from a wizard-based package. The URL to download Moodle cron setup file is unfortunately available only from a documentation page, and so I have put it on the screen in this lesson. And I will also put the same link in a discussion topic in the lesson area. And additionally, you can find it in the lesson description also. When you start download, it will start from the familiar Moodle download page. If download does not begin automatically, you can also manually download from this link here. Okay, after the download is complete, I will run the file. If you get any permission notification message, you will have to accept and proceed ahead. Now the install wizard has launched. Click next to start the action. This screen has a license agreement and I have already read through and will agree to proceed ahead. Next is the installation path, where this software will be installed on your computer. I am okay with this and will continue. I will click the install button here and go ahead. Okay to continue. Confirm that you want to enable logging in the Windows application log. I will say yes. In this dialog box, you get asked how often do you want the sites in your cron job visited. Basically, this means what is the frequency with which cron service should wake up and check if there are jobs to be performed for Moodle. On my local test server, I'm going to set this at 180 minutes. That's once every 3 hours. But if you were doing this on a production server, you would probably want to keep it at a much smaller interval. For example, 5 or 10 minutes. The next question is, where is the Moodle location for the cron page? Inside your Moodle installation, you will find a directory called admin. Let me quickly show you that. This is the admin directory. And inside this directory, you will find a file called cron.php. So the cron job that you are installing needs to address to this file cron.php to tell it its tasks. In my case, the suggested path is perfectly correct. You will have to make sure this URL is correct also in your case. Ensure that your Moodle path is correct and then click the OK button. I will say no to add another address, but if you wanted, you could add another. Then you will get the copyright information dialog box, and at the very end, the service has been installed successfully, and our cron has been successfully installed on my Windows machine as a Windows service and will be running in the background. This type of an install wizard is not available for Mac users from the Moodle site. And if you are on a Mac or a Linux system, you will typically install Moodle cron through a terminal window interface.